so delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a mixed pineapple smoothie. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always commenting on my video. Okay guys, thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you who decides to big me up. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So let's get that right. Strawberry pineapple berry smoothie. Okay, so in this bowl there are several fruits. I have blueberry, pineapple, mango and strawberry. And I have my yogurt here and I have some coconut water that I will be using, and I'm using this one as always. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Fruits are so colorful. Yeah, I'm gonna add my yogurt. And as usual, this is the yogurt I'm using. This is strawberry. Okay. And my coconut water. I'm gonna add roughly a cup. Okay. This here. I'm gonna cover. And blend. And there you have it guys, my pineapple strawberry mixed fruit smoothie. Yes, all done. So I'm gonna go like this now. Got the color guys, so beautiful. I'm gonna glass it. So pretty. This color is so beautiful, all because of the raspberry, not blueberry, raspberry. So tasty. So guys, because they are exotic fruits such as the raspberry, pineapple, mango, what else? Something strawberry. It have a tangy taste. But it's so beautiful. Go ahead and try it, you will love it. Okay guys? It's so tangy and tasty. Yes guys, go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. Just the color alone make you will love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your support. so tasty. Whoosh, I'm out of here.